This question is to require the comparison of two specific sine function values without the aid of a calculator. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Math Tutor 8285. Your subscription fuels the passion. Let's grow together. Copyright all rights reserved. Thank you so much. Problem. Without using a calculator, compare the values of sine of negative 19 pi over 6 and sine of negative 11 pi over 4. Which one is greater? Show your reasoning clearly. First step, we simplify the angles using periodicity. Recall that the sine function has a period of 2 pi, so we can add or subtract multiples of 2 pi to simplify. For sine of negative 19 pi over 6, negative 19 pi over 6 equals negative 3 pi minus pi over 6. Adding 4 pi gives pi minus pi over 6, which is 5 pi over 6. So sine of negative 19 pi over 6 equals sine of 5 pi over 6. For sine of negative 11 pi over 4, negative 11 pi over 4 equals negative 2 pi minus 3 pi over 4. Adding 2 pi gives negative 3 pi over 4. So sine of negative 11 pi over 4 equals sine of negative 3 pi over 4. Next step, we evaluate using reference angles. Sine of 5 pi over 6 equals 1/2. Sine of negative 3 pi over 4 equals negative square root of 2 divided by 2. Then, next step, compare values. Now we compare 1/2 with negative square root of 2 divided by 2. Clearly, 1/2 is greater than negative square root of 2 over 2. Final answer. Sine of negative 19 pi over 6 is greater than sine of negative 11 pi over 4. Common mistake alert. Students often forget to reduce angles into the correct quadrant and may try to compare using approximate decimals. Always reduce angles back into the principal interval before comparing. When comparing trigonometric values, always reduce angles first using periodicity, then use symmetry and monotonicity to compare. That's it for this question solving. This video is based on our math tutoring blog and class recordings. Copyright all rights reserved. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel Math Tutor 8285 and turn on the notification bell. Press the like button. Your subscription fuels the passion. Let's grow together. Thank you so much.